You see me? Because enough of the time we even give a fuck about phone world, bad man. You see me? I work
yeah,
with
but
the
you
music.
know, I'm closer to your age and Vegas age.
I play in a phone world, you know, dog. You know what I mean? So you not work, you know.
No, but I've said that all the time. The world is big.
Nah, but you know, go on like a phone to say I finally say.
No, sir. That's not true.
Bro, you know what I say? A lot of times, not because you're not big in a phone world, or because you know feel like this is not one I work with, you know, mean say it not depend up.
To some boy not know my songs, them say I have respect, some say Skippa you wrong. Yeah, but me not give a goddamn money print every day and I know for you one.
I don't like that, Kartel. Enough place I go right now and Skippa, Skippa the biggest artist in enough circle right now. You know, one certain demographic same way. Yeah, I go some other place and them say, yo brother, I would that when I want to hear that Ray and thing. Cause to some man, you know, bro, Skippa God not for them scheme, you know, or not for them classroom or for them. You get me and say, bro, I just say demographic now, it come down same way. So I don't like that, Kartel. If your music reach right now, I just like, alright, I see same thing with the rapper them in America. You can, even in England too, if a Medzi, a man them leaving off a left outside of the country, if you can have a huge following. America full of 300 million people. You see me I say? A man leaving off a business if he bus and gone outside the country. As a matter of fact, a man bus to California right now, he leaving off a business if he left in state. Because state alone can feed him and give him hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars see him way too after I said music. So I really think a dog much.
Even before a girl dead, and I know we are here about it.
I've said these points
already. But I try to say, bro, no fight time, not because we not hear it in a year scheme, bad man. Some place it a tear down dog and it inspire some youth. Where bad man then we go flick for the artist. And then a lot of times them know, like I say, back then, no family never have phone in a primary school, me.
I don't know.
Yeah, you probably had a phone, but I say in general, bro, I'm not talking about you. That's what I said. Alright, enough people 10, 20 years ago never have a phone in primary school. All of you them have phone now. You see me? So right now you can bust to you them and even bust to a man who are 18 better. But you them anytime or summertime or you catch a youth show, I just hear it out. That's just where music is now.
No, 100. It's like, alright, but let me tell you, I'm gonna say this as well. It's like when you look on even Michael Jackson. Like Michael Jackson can be Michael Jackson today. Reason being, we're not control our program at all. So when you look at even like when I grew up, you know, you have 106 Sound Park, you have Hit This Pan, TVG and them something there. Yeah, wait to see what the top 10. No, if you check my place, I never listen to new music that much. It's like that's my thing. Like me can curate my own playlist, listen to it more. I remember radio was a thing where everybody want to get.
You see, the thing now about when a program though, when it come on to music, that true to a point and then it step after a point again. Cause watch months now. You forward from that Garris now. You forward go that high school there. You see me I say? Let's say you all forward and go all boy high school. It don't really matter. At the end of the day, your peers them, who they around you, what them listen to, or most of the people them listen to around you, go have some kind of impact on what you listen to at the end of the day. You see me I say? If you stay so boom and you left Jamaica and you got Trinidad, whereas if you left all young, and the man them don't listen bass work and thing, like for your school and when you go on a fear day and you get me I say, eventually you go take in some soca music. You see me I say? And I'm gonna say go become your favorite genre or that alone you go listen to. But different influences there, you know, in a different circles, so it all depends. Cause enough youth when they left yard and dropping all one Atlanta, dropping all one New York and thing. Man them start taking to them the rapper the same way too. They still listening dancehall and so, you know. But then we get more in tune to one Little Baby, to one 21 Savage, man number that Atlanta and things said way. You see me I say, bro, you go up on some other part of the world and the man them go take in some Central Sea and they sit there with Ray. But I said you from England now. Like you left Jamaica and go England and forward back a yard. When him forward back a yard, film dog them might not want you in a Central Sea, you know. You see me I say. So when him stays up on my whole axe card now, you have to go start beat all some skilly bang bro and some sking. You see me I say at the end of the day, they have to start all the back on some Skippa CMA too. So in some ways we program, yes. Because depending upon where you're there geographically, depending upon who you're around demographically, what them are meds. When I say yo, you can't have a mind of your own, you know. But remember bro, at the end of the day, you're not going to go there. You're not going to go there England, bro. and every day I get to play soca music. And I'm gonna Atlanta, bro, every day I get to play reggae. Or, you get me, I say, bro, which part of there weird around have something to do with the same way too. You see me, I say, because whereas if he's a person who they go out, you got some club, you got some party and be things and blah blah blah. You go take in what go on and place too, bro. One thing, you know, you can tell Skippa really want student of music still now. If you hear a dog reason, man. Just made the dog look funny clashy. When you pull up all even the Alka Papi reference. And they must say, yo, bro, you remember too, you know, Papi never got directly after Alka, which is true. You see me, I say. And the next thing I want to point out, the youth them are mature. I forgive them props, bro. The youth them really are mature. Because you watch an interview with Skippa right now, watching with Silk Boss other day. The man them not afraid to call they one that name would I be. Well, I guess with the younger artists them, they not shy away from calling, let's say, one veteran artist name or even a quote unquote young artist who them rate. You see me, I say, one time gone the man them make you look like, yo bro, if you call this a man name a career go down tomorrow. So I rate that when the man them can use practical examples and I say, yo brother, here Silk Boss the other day say, yo, a Chronic Line artist and Alkaline artist. Remember the Chronic Line and Alkaline deal na gantala. Two man them a dance all enemy na bro. But for a young artist can forward out and say, brother, this me say and that me say na bro. Who don't like you say go, you know. Brother, it's an idea. It humanize you, bro. You see me I say, I feel like it rally your fans them to see them way. If you can say, brother, see it there. Because you have some fans, you know, bro, where anything for them artists here, that them say, you know, so for them artists move like they're not no sense, you know, bro. That them a move with too, you know. Which no make no sense. So if you're a real Skippa fan and you watch this, bro, you must can look into it and understand. Say, yo, the dog have a whole heap of critical thinking, bro. Why am I, you know? Why dog I demonstrate right there, so. If you can hear a dog, use the example. If you can hear a dog, say, yo, brother, you're not busy about no other man, no dog. Because I don't know you. I tell you, no idea, brother, I don't know you, dog. Say, who want Bex. If I want to feel away, bro. But as long as you don't disrespect no man, bro, you just call a spade and how you see it. You see me, I say, dog. Yeah, man, you would hold some deep meds, man.
That part of the dance are kind of dead, like clashing. Like, it's still alive in terms that it's happening. But the spark around it.
I don't want to be one to say it because it probably is, bro. Cause I forget that it's song out of clash, you know. Because first of all, if you have a clash, you have to go direct after, man. People can't relate to that. People can't really sing about that. It's not repetitive. If you notice how Popcaan do, each song don't get out of Alkaline and Theme Clash.
Yeah.
You know, necessarily aimed after Alkaline, you know. You just drop in at time so people can sing it back. So for a man who's gonna clash these days, you have to take care and tell about your man and tell a lie and tell this. And the people can't really sing that back. So.
I think that
a song if you can play back, a song if you catch it, a song if you can sing along, bro. So even though Kartel when they call me for the barber boy, you don't have to know a barber boy if you enjoy the song, bro. Because every line, bro, is palatable. Every line easily digestible. The boy run like a wounded dog. And the dog just, you see me, I say, bro, line after line after line, the dog just get something catchy where you can. You see me, I don't want to call it bubblegum music, you know, because it'll be a disrespect. But the dog make a song easy enough for you fans them grab onto. Same thing with the Papi song I'm talk about. You see me, I say, bro, when I hear Alkaline songs start, level now. You see me, I say, bro, the songs them were easy for your brain just hold on to and wall of vibes, you go always win. So as the man say, even me as myself, bro, when I go back and look for the Movard and Kartel clash, bro, that followed up from with us, school days said we. When I go back and meet enough of the song, I say, but you know what I'm saying, really, I say a Kartel win enough of the, like, juggling for the rhythm them. But if I go back and listen to enough of all of them, bro, if all of them went tough, some of them went tougher than some of the Kartel them. You see me, I say, to each his own still. But enough of all of them, they tough, bro. The quality went up same way too. Some of them, the quality went cleaner than enough of the Kartel them same way too. Well, some of them Kartel went for teeth for them said, you know, you see me, but different story. But it just go without saying as why a man say, bro. Yeah, if you check it, a man might put out so much in a one clash, man. I ain't gonna do nothing for your career. Can potentially damage your career too if they say how you lose it. And nowadays, bro, clash now last no time. Nobody now take no time for break down the song and, you know, really I say, yo, why artists them are saying what them put out and why fans are look for next and this and there. Bro, as Rosalie laugh on TikTok tomorrow, bro, and do some fuckery, bro, then gone over this or gone. You see me, I say, bro, joke out the thing again, so. But not really tune in.
None at all. So let me just use a generalized song versus the song that is too direct.
But what people listen for now, to decide the winner, different from what people listen for back then. So, in extension, how the money create the song them have to change. That I'm try to share. But then the people who listen to which song are really better song, you know, bro. I so come now from move out the song, they even take off, you know, because Kartel I say a bag of thing, but move out the sounds better.
Yeah.
These days, if a man get just a 5-minute clip to go viral on TikTok or whatever, bro, that's something when you clash, you know. Or if you just say something with the people and feel like, say, oh, it makes expose a man.
Yeah.
So, you see me? And the people can't really sing that back, because nobody wants to sing about a song where you sing directly for your man. We check you out in the job, but we're not going to sing back in relate, so kind of harder to get the hit song out of crash talk. So, man, if we work together, brother. You see me? Man, imagine if Alkaline and Kartel did have an album right now. Dancer would have done with Afrobeat there. Man, if we work together, hombre, I have to wait till they all up to go link up. Love the clashing, bird, man.
Facts. Big Foxy Dog chat, bro. Big Foxy Dog chat. Brother, right now, as a current artist, we going to no war, bro, going to no clash. Come like a dummy mission here, go pan, bro. They got to crash dummy for them people like entertainment. Because watch it now. Brother, man, just make a great and valid point. If fans them nowadays, brother, with this microwave music, this you know, short attention span economy how we living in now, bro. An artist could have pour out his soul and make the best song in career, bro, in a one clash. And the next man can just come say a bag of Ray and come say, oh, girl, catch you do this, and the man them know say you do that, and turn now like a cussing, sussing match, bro. And a man come gimmicks out the war, brother. A man come gimmicks out the war, brother. And other man then claims about the clash. And the other artists might have a better song, better quality, better lyrics, more potent things what they hit on. You see me, I say, bro? It's a real thing that I gotta talk right now, brother. Come like a joke thing for the clash, car. Look at all the war there with La Boss and money, bro. War last 2-3 days so long. People are move on from it quick. And take in the numbers, them. Take in, alright. Take in every song where Molly and La Boss drop in a clash. Take in all even Keyman or Alkaline drop before that. A month before that or whatever. Bro, in a 2-3 days when the song them drop, you don't think so the song them go big song, it and everything. Because the song them get also 500,000 views in 2 days, bro. Alkaline song drop. And the first week it drop, bro, more than 500,000 views. Quick. And I say, alright. This song will reach million a week, man. But that song just reach 1 million since a month. As the man say, slow right down. Nobody now go back for check for that, bro. As the man say, nobody now go back for that and meds that song there again. Because one year directly towards a man. And I said, oh, a man can sing.
You watch the game, you watch the market and see what the people them want. Because sometimes some people get lost and I feel them own a thing. You know?
Yeah, I try my best to remain a fan of music. Yeah, and try the work. Like I say, I try to work more than one of my favorite artists too. So I try to stay in a loop. If I do want to Skippa fan, one more than one Skippa do like right now. What's the next song? Isn't it? Which question would I want to answer that type, you know? So that I try to get this.
Wait for artists.
Yeah, so that's why interviews important, you know, bro. As I say, get to really see how the artists them mids. Get to really understand them personality and where them are forward from. I hear my dog say a while ago. And still try to remain a fan of music, which is very important, but that's key. As I say, because the reason why dog can't find so much hits behind hits, bro. When you sit down and say, yo, what me would I want to see as a Skippa fan? You hear dog say, which question would I want the fans them forget answer to next? Them type of meds there, bro. Because if you always look on it that way, then you're not going stuck in a one loop. You will always, you know, they give fans them what they want, you know. Because the artists in the comment section said, wait.
The hip-hop influence, right? How you feel like that impact our culture, you know? Because sometimes we can drift too far, you know. But we don't have our own identity no more.
Yeah. I feel like we can always take influence on others, but yeah, like you said, sometimes you get too much cause from the outside looking in, live over some. So you kind of look away to them too, and then we actually appeal to. You see me? When in reality, them just want to stay natural and be Jamaican.
Are they even just inspired by, bro? The man them, alright. Dancehall done been have a family already. Saying, new youth them said they don't want to do no old school dancehall. Alright, cool, plausibly. Pan Afrobeat, pan the artist and thing. Man them can show you again. Say, brother, you don't have to do no bag of old up thing or no type of old school. The man say, bro, put enough of them youth up on some of the Afrobeat song there. I make them change up the cadence a little bit. From how them sing now or DJ now. And see if I not it. Bro, they're right in front of youth them, bro. And I like say, they can't do it. I don't know like man them just want stuck in a film lane and thing, bro. But again, if you just want to make kind of music for you hear dog, that's how I go still, bro. For your thing. But bro, I know rocket science. I know nothing too tough. But man them can't do it. The rhythm them a Burna Boy and David and Whiskey and all of them man, bro. Rema and Thames and all of them people that part Afrobeat, bro. Bro, dancehall artists can easily do that. No fight influenced by dancehall anyway. So I know nothing too tough for a man them can do. You see me I say, man them done. It's like a one genre of music get remade so many times. And the man them just keep on running from the original formula. Alright bro, I'd feel flair to it. You see me I say. But the Afrobeat artists them brother don't show you already.
It's been alright, so.
So you feel like that's too much now for like even the producer culture, because I realize the producer them act as the label, and I don't think them know how to manage that properly. When you even look on how much back and forth or how much discord with producer and artist over splits and all them something, but it's just like I'm on a bet, because it's still a bet. Like you're your artist.
Yeah.
You know? But I think we need to get signed on a like more consistent level. And you think it's unfair to the producer them as well?
I feel like because of business, bro, that's why enough of labels them are shy away from it. You see me? Give enough of our artists deals. But that's one thing I'm away from. I try to keep my thing in-house, so when I do get a deal, it's not about to run up and look. I get offers, good offers, and enough of the time, them I just because I own enough of my thing, them. You see me? Or even a song I might take off, I got enough spits on there. It's not just like, you see me? So, we just have to do the right business, bro. And continue working, bro. Our best, really. But yeah, that's a big part. I label them shy from it because we basically play hanky-panky right now, bro.
Yeah, bro, some big hanky-panky. Alright, what you know? Even some of the same producer them when Jay asked about a while ago. Yeah, bro, man, I'm act like a label. Because enough time I don't see my favorite artist put out some song, you know. Don't feel some artists I get a bag of money off a song them, you know. Sometimes I producer them just give them one money, you know. And I produce up all I rights to a song or majority I rights to a song, you know. No, not every case, but sometimes I saw you go. Because producer them want to play a long game. Then say this is money they and thing, bro. Give an artist 1 mil, 1, 2 mil, whatever up front. And stay so boom, him start collect all I splits, him start collect distribution, him start collect publishing and then go way up on the back end. You see me I say, bro? But you them at this fast food culture, just like with the music, bro. So they now sit down to take time to do business again, some of them. So nobody come and make a idiot reason over here. So, bro, part of the reason why some of the other artists and other genres, not just hip hop and whatever and pop, but even in our you call them boy down there, so reggaeton and Afrobeats and them people. Bro, man, them do them business properly, bro. And the man them drop a song, the man them make sure say, yo, if publishing for make off of this, me I get X percentage. You see me I say, if radio play, me I get a percentage. You see me I say, bro, if this going on, you know how much song for all Popcaan out there, in a movie, in a series. You see me I say, bro, go and go watch Ballers, go and go watch Top Boy and they show you and thing, bro. Here Papi song I playing them the FIFA, you name it. Man, them I get them royalties, I get them splits, man, them I get them publishing, bro. You see me I say, full time for you, man, them just do your business correct, bro. See thing enough. Enough time, also like a friend thing going, bro. I'm gonna expect say, oh, because I know this, I'm gonna become this, I'm gonna do business already and and thing. Bro, so try about doing interview other day, see me up how they fix the bro. Man, biggest song, one of the biggest songs in a dance hall. To date. And even the man say out time out, bro. When that drop, bro, and then him get one if you get off his song. He need to get it right, split them. So imagine, you see, Party Animal drop, brother. Gone diamond in South America. Gone gold in some other country and thing. You see me, I say, bro, big selling song. And you say, a bag of money and make off it, bro, and you not get what you supposed to get. Bro, that crazy, you're mad. And you put in so much hard work. And I say you forget everything. Because sometimes you have songwriter, you have engineer, you have producer. It's a whole team make a thing forward together. But bro, enough time, I pity you don't know, bro. That's why you have to give artists like Kartel and credit, bro. Alkaline, them and they own them sang them, bro. Or we own a big piece of them sang them. Them masters, them publishing. Things like that, bro. Because you can click off of that. I hear pension, that's the idea as an artist, you know, bro. You know, you can stay through forever, you know. You can stay through as long as you want. But when you can't go up on the stage no more, when you tap cut dub, when heat cool off of your career, bro, you split so you're publishing your royalties, them, bro. Them thing they're forward in and make you some money said way to can feed you, your family and generations to come. So a real thing you dog at that, bro. Real mates.
And then now, how your performance from last year to now, what you feel like you work on and what you feel you still need to work on?
I just need it. Well, performing is like riding a bike, you know, that. You see me? Learning to do anything else, it comes with experience. You see me? So the more I perform, the more comfortable I get. And you see me? The better I perform. And that's all the need to give enough artists, bro. Because like I said, things and times change. I don't know why it's so hard to accept that. I'm on the bus overnight and I'm have to perform next week. Yeah. And you just got studio last week, bad man. So you want to think of the perform like Michael Jackson? Give you them grace, dog, and make it all them build and work and do what them do. The only way for me to perform better already the artists have to take on more stage show. You see me? And that's all that.
And again, solid take it out this make. Because I when I really sit down and made the feature with them, bro. Back in the Bunty and Beanie them time, dog my bleach a studio for days and weeks and months, bro. You see me I say? So by the time them done get a break and thing, bro, then done. Alright, see next thing I know too. Remember, you know, the sound system culture and the same that way, you know. The same veteran artists the back in the day, you know, bro. Even before the man them went busting, the man them used to go around sound, the man them used to do toasting, and the man them used to just do that, you know. Even in a studio, dub for dub, all and something, so amount of experience when the man them gather. By the time the man them bust and gone through the door, bro, then done, go mash up 2 stage show already and then sitting there before they even bust. You see me I say, bro, it's a real thing. I don't look upon it that way there, so same thing I know, I have to give Skippa and props for. Bro, the man say some things where, and I like, again, in a rocket science, bro. Not for them sitting here common sense, if you really sit down and do some critical thinking. Not for them thing in a rocket science, bro. But the other youth, them now talk and open them out, bro. Because, man, them now, you see me I say, bro, so, I can see Skippa kind of come become my uncle this generation, I see him here too, bro. Because he say, yo, give you them grace, bro. Because I look upon it. And I look for some artists, bro. Bad, talented artists. Pan Raja Wild and them and them, bro. That's why man say, bro, man, me bust today. Overnight, bro. And next week, bro, the dog that African pan a stage show and thing. Man, no experience, dog. You see me, I said, not even a fish fry no go before that. For some of them, I say specifically him. So I really think the dog attack. And on that note, I clip it right, listen, man. Him, man, I want bad reasoning, man. It's a tough reason. You see me as well. Skippa look like he done study the game all way. As the dog just right, let's say him, he might grow said way too. And the dog go forward for fuck up the place same way. So yeah man, Panda know what the video so do it.